children, here in this video we are going to learn the problems from worksheet 1. Okay, so here see that the first problem. See here, sum of the interior angles of a polygon of n sides. So this is the formula for direct formula. They are asking what is that? Sum of all interior angles of a polygon is, what is that formula? That is 2n minus 4 into 90 degrees or n minus 2 into 180 degrees. Okay, this formula already we know that, right? So here which option is correct? 2n plus 4. Here that is not, 2n plus 4 is not correct answer. So 2n minus 2 into right angles, and here 2n minus 4 into right angles. Right angles is nothing but 90 degrees, right? So here 2n minus 4 into 90 degrees. Okay, so this is also wrong option. So which one is correct here? Option 3, 2n minus 4 into 90 degrees. Okay, next. If each angle of a polygon is less than 2 right angles, less than 2 right angles, 2 right angles means 90 plus 90. What is that? 180 degrees. So what they are asking here? If each angle of a polygon, is less than 180 degrees, which means theta is less than 180 degrees they are saying. So here all the angles which are less than 180 degrees, we will call those polygons are convex polygons. We will call those polygons are convex polygons. Okay, each angle of a polygon must be less than 180 degrees. Those polygons we will call it as convex polygons. Okay. Next, third one, the sum of the exterior angle of a polygon. Sum of the exterior angles of a polygon. All the exterior angles sum is equals to 360 degrees. That is also direct formula. Okay. Next one, sum of the exterior angles of a hexagon. So already we know that sum of the exterior angles of any polygon is equals to 360 degrees. Either that is a hexagon, or that is a pentagon, or that is a heptagon, or that is a triangle. Okay, whatever it may be, sum of all the exterior angles of a polygon, of any polygon, is always equals to 360 degrees. Okay, so here onwards the problem say that, so sum of the interior angles of a pentagon, sum of all the interior angles of a pentagon. So number of sides of a polygon. What is the polygon figure they given? That is a pentagon. So in a pentagon how many sides are there? 5 sides are there. Okay, so here n is equals to 5. We got clarity. Okay, after that is sum of the interior angles. So sum of all the interior angles of a pentagon. Sum of all the interior angles of a pentagon or of a polygon. First find right here for polygon. Okay, what is that formula here? 2n minus 4 into 90 degrees. 2n minus 4 into 90 degrees. So here n is equals to 5. No? So substitute that n is equals to 5. So 2 into 5 minus 4 into 90 degrees. So 2 into 5 is 10. 10 minus 4 into 90 degrees. So 10 minus 4 is equals to 6. 6 into 90 degrees is equals to 540 degrees. Okay. So what is that? Total interior angles, sum of all the interior angles of a pentagon, which is equals to 540 degrees. Okay. So which formula we use here? That is the sum of all interior angles of a polygon is 2n minus 4 into 90 degrees. Okay. So next one. Here say that the sum of the interior angles of a polygon of 10 sides. Of 10 sides means here they are saying that n is equals to 10. N is equals to 10, that is they given in that question. So here sum of interior angles they are asking. So sum of interior angles formula is 2n minus 4 into 90 degrees. Okay. So here n is equals to substitute that 10. So 2 into 10 minus 4 into 90 degrees, which is equals to 20 minus 4 into 90 degrees. So which is equals to 16 into 90 degrees. So 16 into 90 degrees is equals to 140 degrees. 1440 degrees. 1440 degrees. Okay, so which is correct answer? 1440. Okay, option 3 is correct. So here say that next one, a polygon has 54 diagonals. Read the question properly. A polygon has 54 diagonals. The number of sides of a polygon. So here number of diagonals are given. We need to find that number of sides of that figure. Okay, and we know that number of diagonals formula. What is that? Number of diagonals of a polygon. Formula is n into n minus 3 by 2. So this is the formula to find that number of diagonals of a polygon, right? So here n is equals to, we don't know that, but they given that number of diagonals of a polygon which is equals to 54. What is that? 54 diagonals are there. So simplify this one. N into n minus 3 is equals to 54 into 2. So in division we have the 2, right? So that one becomes, in that multiplication we will get it as 54 into 2. So which is equals to n into n is equals to n square minus 3 into n is equals to 3n. Okay. So which is equals to 54 into 2 is equals to 108. Okay. Now take that 108 into that left hand side. So minus 3n plus 108 become as minus 108 is equals to 0. Okay, already we learned that how to find that factors of a quadratic equation. Just observe that this is a quadratic equation now here. How we can say that this is a quadratic equation? Because this is in that equation form and that is having that highest degree as 2. Okay, degree of this equation is 2. That's why we are calling this is a quadratic equation. Okay, already in that algebraic equations concept we discussed that how to find that factors, right? So here n square minus 3n minus 108. So simplify here. N square minus 3n minus 108 which is equals to 0. Okay, so how to write the terms? In that middle terms must be, if you add any two terms or if you take the difference, then must be you will get that the middle term. Okay, if you take the product of those two terms, you will get that the last term. Okay, so in that cases, which one is possible here? Okay, so n square minus, so here the difference must be 3n. Difference must be 3n, and here its sum or difference is equals to 108. So first take the factors of 108. So 254s, but its difference is not equals to 3. Okay, or its addition is also not equals to 3. That's why this is not possible now. Next take that 3. Okay, 3 is 9 and 3 6 18. So 3 into 36. Okay, that is also possible, but here its difference is not equals to 3. No, it's a difference. Okay, that's why this is also not possible and this is also not possible. Now take that, is that number divisible by 4? Yes. 4 into how much? 4 2's 8 and here 4 7's. So 27 into 4. But here the difference between 27 and 4 is not equals to 3, no? So that is also not possible. And this number is not divisible by 5. So no need to say that. Take that 6. 6, is it possible? So 6 into how much is equals to 108? 6 1 6 and here 48. Okay. 6 8 48. Is it clear? So 6 and 18, its difference is not equals to 3, no? Again its difference is equals to how much? Difference is equals to 12, not equals to 3. That's why here this is also not possible. Okay, let us see that is 7. So in this way we can check that any factors, no? Okay, so see here. Here 6 into 18, this is not possible. So let us check that 7 and 8, that is also not possible. So go for that 9. Okay, 9 into 12 is equals to 108. 9 into 12 is equals to 108. Take the difference. 12 minus 9 is equals to 3. So we are getting here 3 as the difference, no? Why always we are saying the difference as 3? Why? Because here in this equation the middle term is 3, no? That's why we are searching for difference as 3. So here which one is possible? This is possible, no? So here write this one as minus 12n plus 9n. Why? Because plus into minus is equals to minus 12 into 9, which is equals to minus 108, which is equals to minus 108. So that is satisfying. And in the same way, minus 12 plus 9, which is equals to minus 3. So in those two cases also that is satisfying, no? That's why taken like this. So here we minus 108, which is equals to 0. So from that first two terms, take that n as common. So here n minus 12 is that leftover term. Okay. Plus from these two terms, take that 9 as common. 9 as common. And here n minus 9 into how much is equals to 108? 9 12s. So which is also equals to 0. So after that, from this total equation, here again we have that n minus 12 as common, no? So take that n minus 12 as common, and here the leftover n plus 9. So which is equals to 0. Okay. So here n minus 12 is equals to 0 or n plus 9 is equals to 0. Why? Because product of two numbers is equals to 0 means any one of the number must be equals to 0. Any one of that integer must be equals to 0. Then only we will get that 0, no? Or else both also we can take that 0. 0 into 0 is equals to again 0. That's why take that one as n minus 12 is equals to 0 or n plus 9 is equals to 0. So from this condition, n is equals to minus 12 become as plus 12. Okay. Or n plus 9 become as minus 9. So n is equals to minus 9. Is it clear? Now see that. So here which one is related to that answer, 9 or 12? Just observe that here 12 is positive, 9 is negative. Okay. Number of sides means always we have to use that positive sign only, no? Number of sides. We can't say in that negative section. Okay. In that negative integers we can't say that a number of sides is equals to minus 3 sides, minus 4 sides. Like that we can't say, no. Always we are using positive sides only. That's why here n is equals to minus 9 is not possible. So that's why here n is equals to 12 sides. Okay. If that is a 12 sided figure, then only that figure is consisting that 54 diagonals. Okay. Then only that figure is consisting 54 diagonals. Okay. So which option is correct? Option 3 is correct. So answer is n is equals to 12 sided figure. Okay. So let us see that the next problem. The number of sides in a regular polygon. Number of sides in a regular polygon if each interior angle is 144 degrees. So in that question only they are saying that that is a regular figure, regular polygon, and here each angle is equals to 144 degrees, and they given another condition that is interior angles. So each interior angle they given. Okay. So each interior angle formula, what is that? How to find that each interior angle of a regular polygon? Each interior angle of a regular polygon, what is that formula? 2n minus 4 into 90 degrees by n. This is the formula which one we can use for to find that each interior angle of a regular polygon, right? So that is 2n minus 4 into 90 degrees by n. Okay. Now here which one they given? 144 degrees. That angle only they given. Each interior angle only they given means this value they given. So what is that? Given that 2n minus 4 into 90 degrees whole by n, which is equals to 144 degrees. Which is equals to 144 degrees. So which is equals to 90 into 2n is equals to 180n minus 90 into 4 is equals to 360 degrees, which is equals to 144 into n is equals to 144 degrees into n. Okay. Now 180 n minus 144 become as minus 144 degrees and which is equals to minus 360 become as plus 360. Okay, so from this one 180 minus 44, so which is equals to 36 degrees and which is equals to 360 degrees. So from this one n value we need to find out. So n is equals to 360 degrees whole by 36 ones and 36 tens. So n is equals to nothing but 10 sides. So n is equals to 10 sides is that correct answer. Okay, if you substitute that n is equals to 10 in that formula here, 2 into 10 minus 4 into 90 degrees whole by 10. Okay, just I am substituting that one. Here cancels here 9 times. So 2 tens 20, 20 minus 4. 20 minus 4 is equals to 16. So 16 into 9 is equals to 144 degrees. So that's what they given in that question. Okay, each interior angle of a polygon is equals to 144 degrees. When it is possible? When that figure is having that how many sides they are asking. So that figure is having 10 sides. Okay.